For over 4,000 years, one tiny spice has been used to treat everything from toothaches to digestive problems. Kings traded it like gold. Ancient doctors prescribed it like medicine. Cloves may be one of the most powerful tools in your kitchen, but most people use them completely wrong. And one method millions use every day destroys most of the benefit. Today, I'm ranking 7 ways to consume cloves from least effective to most powerful. Each one scored. Each one explained. The number 1 method delivers the highest concentration of active compounds directly where your body needs them. And it takes less than 2 minutes. Cloves contain a compound called eugenol. It's a natural anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial agent. But eugenol is sensitive. How you prepare cloves determines how much actually reaches your body. Get the method wrong and you lose most of it. That's why the ranking matters. Method 7. Ground clove powder sprinkled on food. Score 2 out of 10. This is the most common way people use cloves. Shake some powder on oatmeal or into a smoothie. Taste warm, smells nice. And that's about it. This is where it breaks down. Pre-ground powder loses potency fast. The moment cloves are ground, eugenol starts evaporating. After a few weeks in your cabinet, you've lost up to 70% of the active compounds. This is the mistake most people make. They buy pre-ground powder in bulk and use it for months. The powder is essentially dead after 3 to 4 weeks. If you must use powder, grind whole cloves yourself right before using them. But even then, this method delivers the least benefit on this entire list. Before we move on to the 6th method, I want to ask you for a quick favor. Still watching without subscribing? If you're enjoying this and finding it useful, take a second to subscribe. Thank you. Now, let's get to the 6th method. Method 6. Clove essential oil in water. Score 3 out of 10. Sounds powerful. 1 drop contains more eugenol than a handful of whole cloves. So, it must be better, right? Not exactly. And for people over 60, this can actually be dangerous. Clove oil is so concentrated, it can irritate your stomach lining, burn your esophagus, and cause digestive distress.
If you find this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe. Now let's move on to the recipes. To help you target specific health concerns, here are powerful and easy recipes. 1. For digestion and bloating, make a simple clove tea. Boil 3 to 4 cloves in a cup of water for 5 minutes. Drink it warm after meals to relieve gas, cramps, and indigestion. 2. For diabetes and blood sugar, try clove water. Soak 2 cloves overnight in a glass of water. Drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach to help regulate blood sugar and reduce insulin spikes. 3. For colds and cough, a clove and honey remedy is perfect. Crush 2 cloves and mix them with 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Take this before sleep to clear your throat, relieve coughing, and ease breathing. 4. For toothache and gum problems, use a clove oil massage. Mix 2 drops of clove oil with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Gently apply this mixture to your gums or the painful tooth to numb pain and reduce bacteria. 5. For arthritis and joint pain, a warm clove balm can provide relief. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil and add 5 crushed cloves. Let it infuse, then strain the oil. Massage the warm oil onto your knees or stiff joints to improve circulation and reduce inflammation. 6. For heart and blood circulation, drink clove and ginger tea. Boil 2 cloves and a thin slice of ginger in hot water for 5 minutes. Drink this in the morning to improve blood flow, warm the body, and strengthen your heart. 7. For immunity and energy, make a clove and cinnamon mix. Grind 2 cloves with a small piece of cinnamon stick. Add this powerful powder to your smoothies, oatmeal, or even your coffee for a daily immune boost. 8. For stress and anxiety, prepare a clove inhalation therapy. Add 3 to 4 crushed cloves to a bowl of steaming hot water. Lean over the bowl. Cover your head with a towel and inhale the fragrant steam deeply for 5 to 10 minutes. The eugenol acts as a natural relaxant for the nervous system, helping to calm the mind and reduce feelings of stress. 9. For sinus congestion and headaches, create a clove steam inhaler. Follow the same method as for stress, but add a teaspoon of dried mint or eucalyptus leaves to the hot water with the cloves. Inhaling this potent antiseptic and anti-inflammatory steam will help open up blocked sinuses, drain mucus, and relieve sinus headache pressure. 10. For skin fungus and athlete's foot, make a potent antifungal clove soak. Brew a strong clove tea by boiling 10 cloves in 2 cups of water for 10 minutes. Let it cool completely. Soak clean feet in this tea for 20 minutes daily. The powerful antifungal properties of eugenol will help combat stubborn skin infections effectively. 11. For nausea and motion sickness, try a clove and lemon elixir. Steep 2 crushed cloves and a slice of lemon in a cup of boiling water for 10 minutes. Sip this soothing drink slowly. The combination is highly effective in settling an upset stomach and preventing nausea without drowsiness. 12. For lower back pain and muscle spasms, use a warming clove and mustard oil liniment. Gently heat half a cup of mustard oil. Add 10 to 12 crushed cloves and heat on low for 5 minutes. Let it cool, then strain. Use this oil to massage the painful area. It deeply penetrates muscles, relieves spasms, and reduces inflammation. 13. For sore throat and laryngitis, gargle with a clove and salt water solution. Crush 2 cloves and add them to a glass of warm water with half a teaspoon of sea salt. Gargle with this mixture for 30 seconds 3 to 4 times a day. This provides intense antibacterial action and soothes inflamed throat tissues directly. 14. For improved memory and focus, incorporate a clove and walnut brain tonic. Blend 2 crushed cloves with a handful of walnuts and a cup of milk or plant-based milk until smooth. Drink this regularly. Cloves improve circulation to the brain, while walnuts provide omega-3s, creating a powerful cognitive enhancer. 15. For bad breath halitosis, use a whole clove as a natural breath freshener. Simply place 1 clove in your mouth and gently suck on it. You can also crush it slightly with your teeth to release the oils. Its strong antibacterial properties will kill odor-causing bacteria in your mouth for hours, acting like a natural breath mint. Important precautions and warnings. While cloves are beneficial, it is crucial to use them safely. Please listen carefully. Do not eat more than 2 to 3 cloves per day. Higher doses can irritate your stomach and cause discomfort. If you are on blood-thinning medication, you must avoid this remedy as cloves can increase the risk of bleeding. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should always consult a doctor before trying this. And finally, always soak or chew cloves slowly. Never swallow them whole and dry, as they can be too strong for your stomach lining and may pose a choking hazard. Conclusion. So what is the final result? After eating 2 cloves every day for a week, you can feel lighter, your digestion improves, your immunity gets stronger, and your blood sugar becomes more stable. This small common spice is truly one of nature's most powerful hidden medicines, with a surprising range of uses from relieving pain to sharpening your mind. But remember, the key is consistency and moderation. Try these simple recipes for your specific health needs and let your body feel the difference. If this video gave you valuable natural health tips, please give it a like. Share it with a friend who needs to see it, and subscribe to our channel for more ways to unlock nature's pharmacy. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes the smallest things, like a couple of cloves, bring about the biggest changes to your health.
Joint stiffness may ease. Sleep may improve. You feel more consistent overall. Gradual changes, not overnight. Miracles, but they compound over time. One warning. If you're on blood thinners, talk to your doctor first. 2 habits that multiply everything. First, always consume cloves on an empty stomach. Absorption is significantly higher without food competing. Second, consistency over quantity. 1 clove a day for 30 days beats 5 cloves once a week. Your body responds to consistent small signals. Overnight water, 1 chewed clove, empty stomach every morning, 30 days, simple, affordable. Built for real life, be honest. Which one are you actually going to try tomorrow? Comment it and send this to someone who needs this, too.